B-stance dumbbell RDL here. You want to be lining up your toes with the heel of your leading foot here. Now, of course, we want a slight bend in that front leg, and then we're going to hinge from the hips. And again, we need to really focus on just driving the hips back in this movement. A lot of the time, people, because we're doing a little bit of a different situation, just naturally reach way further down and then start to light up their lower back. Now, what we're going to do with this is I'm actually going to get Dylan to switch dumbbells into his other hand. So we're going to hold it in the opposite hand, and as he comes down, he's going to reach across his body and just lower that dumbbell towards his foot. But what we need to keep in mind is that the RDL is a hip hinge movement. So as he's reaching down, his hand should only come as far down as his hips allow him to. He doesn't want to get that additional reach curving to the back. That's when it's going to light it up. So you're reaching with the hips, you're lowering with the hand, yeah? So your hand just holds, push the hips back, get it as low as you can, but only as far back as those hips go, and then we come back up.